Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island. I'm stuck with you guys and we are always smiling. Yo, today we are with Razablade TV and I must don't know that already. And Rolley So easy. It's a bit yo so novo.
Yo so.
Finishing the man?
Oh, yo so novo.
Alright, so the whole plan for today, I'm trying to make at least 3 videos for you guys. The first thing that we're gonna do, because we're hungry, it's about 10 AM today. So I'm gonna be trying to find some street food in downtown Kingston, and yeah, we're gonna try to get the atmosphere, show you guys what it's like, see what the changes are. Already you guys can see over there, that is M10 Bar and Grill, and there's also Ribbies over there as well. So downtown has a lot of development happening. So yeah, let's get into the video. Alright guys, you can realize that it's a super windy day here, being out on the waterfront, but so far down here it feels like a lot better. It feels really clean, it feels really good so far. It feels a lot more modern. Even there back there, the Victoria Pier, I remember when I was in university, I did a project on the Victoria Pier and it was run down, it was broken down, there was nothing there, and it's good to see that they have reoccupied it, repurposed it, and made it into something that's, you know, a lot more acceptable and a lot more wholesome in the country.
No, I'm not fighting. No, let me touch about do something. No, we can't touch. General, tell him to calm down now. Hold my back. Hold my back, General. General, hold my back. General. No, what you do? Hold him back. Hold him back. Hold him back. My youth. Now, you said hold back. Alright. Stay over this way.
So one thing for me which is a key pointer, and anyone that's from Jamaica will tell you, like, downtown Kingston can be considered a very scary place to a lot of Jamaicans and even for travelers. And that's why for me, one of my biggest tips or pointers is always walk with other people. So like for me, I have 2 of my friends here down here with me, which is cool. And the next thing, you know, always watch out for anything that could happen. It's just like being in any city where there's a lot of people, there's a lot of crowds, there's a lot of destitution that could be around. Like someone could try to, you know, rob you, whatever the case is. Now, is it like a guarantee that you're here and then someone's just gonna come up to you and rob you? Nah, that's definitely not it. There's a lot to do here. I used to work down here in downtown Kingston for maybe about 3-4 months when I was like 19, and I never had any issues. It's definitely different from uptown Kingston, but.
So you want grass? Well, it's about put up your hand. You don't trust that. What? You know that? You remember what I'm doing yesterday? Before you said them, I go now when we can't cross road, because you use just a man like this. You even look so, you know, you just got. No, yeah.
So they're saying that them are walking a superstar. No, here's the funny thing. So far, I've seen 2 persons that have known me through the vlog, and that's a lot of persons always say like, oh, why the blonde hair, why the yellow hairstyle? Like, it has grown to become like somewhat of a trademark, I guess. Wasn't my idea, it was my sister. She was like, yo, you need to start being boring and being plain. So that's how the hairstyle came about. But it's good to know that I'm walking downtown and persons kind of know like what I'm doing and what I'm trying to accomplish, so that's a great thing. So just to give you a location, we are now passing the Supreme Court. As you guys can see there, we're passing the Supreme Court. I believe it's the highest court in the island. And we're heading directly towards like the heart of downtown pretty much. We were parked all the way down on the waterfront. I'm trying to get up to the heart of downtown where we can maybe find a little bit more activity, where there should be a lot more food. I'm hoping to find maybe like a peanut porridge man or something like that. I don't know. I have no clue what's down here in terms of you know, street food, but I know that it should be a whole bubbling barrage of different stuff. I don't even know.
That reaction was crazy.
Alright, so over there, some of them have like some peanuts maybe, or gizzard, or a bami, or some shrimp. I don't know, but I'm gonna go over there and see what they have.
When the man stop living.
Alright, so we get over here, realize that they have some, yo, this is probably like the freshest I've ever seen gizzard that's like being sold, to be quite honest. So over here I have the coconut drops, peanut cake. It's similar to peanut brittle in the US, gizzarda, and this is jars. Greater cake, okay. And this is plantain tart. Plantain tart, tamarind bars. Did you make this one yourself or? Really? Wow, and then of course you have bami right here. So you know some for always support. So how much is plantain tart? $60 for plantain tart. How much for the gizzarda? 70. I want a plantain tart and I want a gizzarda, please. And I want so I just want a plantain tart and a gizzarda, please. Thank you. Over here we have one of my favorite things, which is pepper shrimp, but I won't get it right now because you know pepper shrimp have a thing to it. So when I'm coming back, I'll definitely get pepper shrimp if I remember. But you guys know this is plug and they look really fresh. One problem I always had with buying these things on the street, like they were never fresh, but this one looks fresh, tastes fresh, and the price is affordable. Like this was like $6. Some person number sell it for like 100. It's crazy. Yeah. But anyway, guys, we're still heading straight into the town.
But I push the prices there, bro.
What, you did a house downtown?
Yeah, you do a house.
I do what?
Banana chips.
Banana chips?
Yeah, man.
She said me and you text it.
No, it just like test it out for your social experience. You see me? You know, us for your day.
Banana chips, some got banana chips.
Yeah.
Oh.
So eat him go to it. No, him post it.
Now this is a part that most persons don't understand, and it happens almost everywhere in the world. Once you get into a city center where there's a lot of persons who are hustling and bustling and just bumping into you, like naturally as a human being, you're gonna start getting aggravated. You understand? And that's why, like I always say, like love, nature, adaptation. Because when you take a step outside of the city environment, like, and you go around like nature where most of us do belong, you get relaxed. It's a lot more comforting. But once you get here, like it's different.
Shoes and clothes on and stuff. The food place them are there straight.
But that side.
Yeah, for the people them who have food pan cart and things like that.
Mad. So like, I don't know if you guys could be hearing like in the background of the video, but like some persons are saying that the inspectors are coming because
so see the man around the car there?
Yeah, so everybody right.
Yo, watch your melon, Jenna. The melon.
Everybody's trying to scatter
just see police,
make movements because they really shouldn't be selling on the sides of the road, but yo, people have to hustle. And of course some persons just don't like the video, like don't like camera. They're like, yo, I don't know our video. But you don't know the things that already. Yeah, but normally we say like food, so like yo, you guys see that back, yo, whole heap of people just a walk, like there's a whole heap of people that walk, like yo, let me tell you, personally if you ask me like my honest opinion, like do I like coming down to downtown to do shopping or whatever? Not really. Reason being it's like so crowded. If I'm being honest, like people sometimes can be a little bit aggressive. Am I wrong? Alright.
No, for true, them fight a lot.
Yeah, they can.
It's about territory.
About territory?
Yeah. So if them used to that space there and somebody is staying at the space, they're gonna fight. Alright, so just get a bottle of water just now. Because it's hot, crazy hot down here. But as I was saying, like, one tip that I realized when I use a shop down here, it's like you have to be ready to like purchase. Like don't go in front of someone's stall or just be looking like that. Like yo, the people want to get them sales, and that's just the way it is, you know. It's a whole different lifestyle. Your approach have to be ready. You have to be like a lot more. You yourself as a shopper have to be a lot more aggressive. You can't come down and soft.
It's not gonna really work that way then. If you actually want.
He's a walker like a normal, you come at town and you understand. Just keep moving though.
Yeah.
Skylark.
Don't skylark.
For the first time you come here, no danger or nothing like that. You want to look normal. Once you know where you go, you go blend in.
Exactly.
But when you look like at the first, you can be a target. You see?
Exactly. So, as in pretty much I say, just you have to see him normalize. You can't just walk like you don't really know where you're going, because just like anywhere, if I realize that you're a non-native or you are like a bit soft, like you can be targeted. But yeah, apart from that, we are walking so normal. And everybody's asking like, yo, what we are doing? It's crazy.
Mama want to know when you can go on the channel.
No. So the first one we see you stop and talk to somebody on your channel.
In your channel, man, him know him. Wait,
no,
you do the lady?
Female, yeah.
Yeah, she said she watch me on YouTube.
Okay. Madam.
And the guy is good channel.
So now the lane him say like downtown food.
Yeah.
Alright.
In time we reach them part. So everybody in a town, sometimes I walk around kind of tree.
Yeah.
And bring it to them come deliver, you see.
Really?
Yeah. They call it $8. $100 if you want.
$100 for one food. Oh, sorry.
He never did that see you. He never did that see you. I can't beg you. He never did that see you. Only let us see each other. Service. What time is it already? Soon like one, no 12 o'clock now. Yeah. 11 o'clock.
Who's the video?
Eh? What time? Over here, sir.
Check now.
What you normally serve here, sir? What you normally serve here?
Chicken back shop.
We eat everything in us. We come and have a video.
Chicken back shop?
Jamaican, you know.
So chicken back.
Chicken back up there, sir.
Yeah.
What kind of chicken back?
Brown stew and curry.
Me I come back to some chicken back, alright? Next to the food spot is
I like that. Yeah, right, sir.
Alright, so pretty much back on the move because the chicken back not really ready as yet. So we still try to find a place where you know have something kind of unique, different. There was a place called Fry where they used to fry everything, like anything they catch a hand on. So it could be fried banana, anything they catch a hand on them, fried. But I heard that the place got burnt. Well, actually, Rolley got information, it got burned down. So yeah, massive fire. So one of them things there. But we can get like some, they call it porridge or soup.
Most likely, I think I like it. People are passing us a
Oh, okay. Something unique, you know?
Jamaican way.
Yeah, them normally they right here, so the jerk chicken man them, but when I see them
Franks and Bagatti. Over there?
yeah. When this is the way I put in the work, so guys, if you are watching the video and you like it, you find it interesting, remember to drop a like on the video. It's really important. That's all we pretty much ask for, just to like the video. And if you feel kind enough and you want to share the video, then big up. Like, I really appreciate that. So remember, just like the videos, guys. When you watch theme video, make sure you like theme video as well. You watch Rolley video, make sure you like the video. That's all we ask as YouTubers. But anyway, we're back on the search, trying to find some street food, things that regular, average people eat every single day. Being down here, you know, we're just looking for that.
Right. Marine. Alright, so from past the mothers and go around, I'm going at the first lane. Marie. Alright.
Jamaicans are the worst at giving directions.
Alright guys, so I need to try to buy a bandana for my head cause yo, my sweat holy, need to get a bandana so I can stop and buy one.
downtown.
Cornflakes knock up?
Yeah.
That sound like a something we used to do when we little. Just going at the cornflakes box, but then sell that.
That's what me do every time, you know.
Yo.
Most time we spend it just eat it straight from the cup.
Yeah.
No, from the box.
From the box.
Okay, so cornflakes knock up, that's mad.
They make a sample.
So, wait, before I thought it was just cornflakes dry, but you get cow's milk with it. How much you give for that?
100.
Yo, that lit.
But
Oh, for real, okay. You want to start consider.
That is interesting.
Alright,
So
so
breakfast.
me have to go consume it for the
You wanna buy cornflakes with milk too? You wanna buy cornflakes with milk too? No? You want one?
Yeah, man,
You want one? You want one too? You want one too? How much of them? Alright, thank you. Give thanks to the bro.
Respect.
Respect. Yo.
Because we have like YouTube channel.
Give thanks.
But the comedy video can.
Yeah, so we're just there. I walk through a little alleyway and thing. You know, the youths them a play ball. You them a knock ball and thing.
How short is that, my dog?
That's a YouTube video. Yeah. Yo, guys, man, I tell you, I smell the food already. The food smell like some real fried chicken, you know what I'm saying? And the people them know the spot, so as them say, yo, Marie's restaurant. I'll go check it out and see what we're going to eat, you know? So, them have porridge still available, so I'm going to mash a peanut porridge. A fried chicken with curry gravy and yeah, 2 peanut porridge. Yeah.
Fried chicken. Yeah, you can say I could get some man. No, that man get fire pressure. No, because you know we start this one in food.
Leg on time. Leg on time. So we get some peanut porridge, you know, and when we want somebody's in the streets, but we find it also. Normally you have some people who will be on like, you know, carts usually. For some reason I'm not seeing any of them today, but yep. Have some peanut porridge. Let's get it. It's a hands-on one of the best peanut porridge I ever have.
I never yet make a peanut porridge before, so you can't say that.
In my life. Like, alright, watch out. Normally, I get my peanut porridge from Juicy Patties. Yeah, you know it's peanut porridge, but like you're not tasting the actual peanuts in it. This tastes like, you know, the red peanuts and with the shell them on it. It tastes exactly like that with some rich type of milk. I don't know if a coconut milk them drop in there or molasses or how them sweeten it, but like, you don't need to follow that, Maurice. If you don't miss peanut porridge them way,
it tastes like a she grate coconut. Yeah, trash.
Yo! Alright, so let me tell you, after having that peanut porridge, my expectations for this meal is extremely high because she has set the standard, you know, for the food. So I'm gonna finish having my porridge and I'm gonna try this and tell you guys, you know, what I think about it.
Your grandmother recipe? A long time I live, man.
So this one try con be?
Yeah, yo, mind blowing. I can't talk yet. I forget that break.
Yo, that is one. So when you hide off, you want to say, the people that will hide off, you can't share the knife food. Walk around on a big chicken. Alright, what is? You say rice and teacher right now?
When I normally go over my neighbor's house and it's like she offer food and you don't know more than I like how eat from people, but my sample of rice and peas and oh gosh.
So it is?
Tastes like she put sugar in there.
That's the best part I like about eating out and the people can still manage to cook and it tastes like a
yeah, just
yeah, some both will sample my food and thing, you know what I'm saying? Get out of here, steamed veg. See what I go on to that chicken here. Chicken look good. So just get a natural beetroot juice. So don't know beetroot and it look really red. So good stuff.
Promising that?
Yeah man, I want to come back and film that the porridge alright all. But anyway guys, yo. Food tastes good, but I can't finish it because a lot of people think that I eat a lot. I do not. I do not eat a lot. I don't eat olive, so the leg is still left back here, but down here, so it seems like it have a very good support system because there's a lot of people that have come through. Maybe since we've been here, maybe like at least 10 persons have come, bought, you know. Somebody even asked them now to extend the shop because business are going good, so check out Marie's if you don't fall down at them ends. This I'm gonna eat one cup of cornflakes, porridge, and
Show them way, show them way.
no space left. Alright, so pretty much I'm gonna end that video there. I'm gonna jump into another video. So if you guys like the video, remember to drop a like on it. We're gonna go into do another video where we're gonna try to pick up or shop a few things in downtown Kingston and see how that goes. But anyway guys, remember these few things: love, nature, adaptation, and always remember, keep the link.